Python and Java are both high-level general-purpose programming languages. This means they are designed to make software development more accessible by providing a language with syntax closer to natural language than code written in machine language. Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures, combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it very attractive for rapid application development. Python is often referred to as a glue language because it can be used to merge different components. Here are some of the advantages of Python. The simple syntax makes it easier to learn for beginners. Open source with a large community offering lots of support to users. No need to compile before executing. Can simultaneously perform multiple processes. Java is a general-purpose object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems in 1991. It is used to build desktop, web, and mobile applications. Java features support the creation of objects within the program and offer powerful memory management capabilities. These are some of the advantages of Java. Powerful memory management capabilities. An extensive library of reusable functions. Static typing for more efficient code. Better support for multi-threading. Java is widely used in many fields and offers excellent opportunities for job prospects. On the other hand, Python provides excellent features such as rapid deployment, ease of use, and simple syntax, making coding much more effortless. With patience, dedication, and practice, you can become an expert in either language in no time. That's it for this one. See you at the next Sonatafy Define.